If your LG French door refrigerator stopped dispensing water, the fix is usually simpler than you think. Over 80% of water dispenser issues are caused by simple maintenance gaps rather than broken parts. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find exactly where the water flow is blocked. Before doing anything else, unplug the fridge and confirm that your child lock settings aren't preventing operation. The most frequent culprits are an old filter or a frozen line tucked inside the freezer door. Try removing the filter and dispensing water. If it works, you just need a fresh filter. If you hear a hum but get no water, the inlet valve might be failing electrically. Almost half of all service calls for this issue are resolved simply by replacing the water filter. If the line is frozen, use a hairdryer on low heat to gently thaw the tube inside the door. Most of these repairs can be done with basic household tools and a little patience. Remember to never force the filter. Forcing it can break the housing and lead to expensive leaks. With these steps, your LG dispenser should be back in action. Thanks for watching your Tech Pal.